Got a package from Temu. Let's open it. Let's do an unboxing. Oh, the packaging is so hard to get off. Here we go. We got a piggy bank. It's a blue one. Let me show you. That's opening up. We're gonna open it up. Oh, it's right here. This is it. Guess you gotta put batteries in, but here's the. I guess you put the coins in here, and you could put your dollar bills in here, and then I guess you could set a code. This is nice. Thanks, Temu. We got another unboxing. This is from Amazon. Oh, this is water from Iceland. This is fresh water from Iceland, from the lake. Icelandic water. It's heavy too.